So Shiba Inu did have a huge decrease in price. But today we're going to talk about what's going to be the future of this coin and can it continue to go up. So if you're a Shiba Inu investor or plan to invest into this coin in the future, then you really need to watch the entire video to understand what's going to happen to this coin. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video because I make videos every single day talking about the latest and best altcoins in the crypto world. So here we are in TradeView. First things first, let's check out what's been happening to this coin for the last couple of hours and last couple of days. So if you do measure basically from here all the way to this level, we did go down by 50%. Now we are seeing some increase here, but again, that's gonna be a huge problem for this coin. Still, people are just pretty much afraid. They do not know what just happened to this coin. There's so much disinformation on what's happening that people just don't know. They just don't know, and that's why people are selling off. So there are a couple of reasons why this happened. Why did this coin drop by 50%? Not only this coin, but so many other coins. So first things first, we had a huge sell-off. So there was a huge bearish market for every single crypto here. So all the coins, they go down, and now they're trying to go back up again. You can see basically here, Bitcoin. If you do look at Bitcoin dropped here by even 20%. All the way here to 20%, but now it did jump back up basically, so that's pretty cool. Ethereum also, huge dump. I mean, huge dump here. Boom, if we go from here to here, 10% down basically. There you go. So many coins did go down, but slowly they're gaining what's been happening here. So if we do continue Shiba, of course, you can see this huge dump, but it's not the only reason. So Shiba Inu has more reasons why they dump here so much. Guys, go and check out my Patreon. On the gold tier, you'll be able to get weekly live chat, access to my private VIP group, access to my chart analysis, exclusive Discord chat, and of course support the channel and research. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Let's make a giant community together because something that happened to the coin, like something very important. So I'm going to talk about that pretty soon here, but basically still we are going to see some stabilization for this coin. If you do look at the RSI is still pretty good, but if you do look at the AMAs here, the AMAs did cross for a bearish cross. So this is pretty bad. Like this means the value will continue to go down and so we make another cross. Now the best thing that can happen to this coin is if we do continue to stabilize in this area until people do understand what is happening to the coin. So then stabilization in this area will be the key. Of course, if we break through to the downside of this area, this is going to be really bad for the coin. So let me just take a Fibonacci retracement here and I'm going to show you guys what's going to happen to the coin if we do. So we're going to find out all of the levels of the coins right now. These are all those. This should be all of the levels for the coin, which is pretty interesting to see. Hopefully, there you go. So this is how you need to look at the coin basically. So the next level we have support here is this low right over here. This should be, if I just take here a label so you guys can see, this is the next level of support. You can even see that right now we are getting rejected in this area, but hopefully, like I said, we will be able to break through to the top side of this area. But let me just place all the price levels so you guys can see where we are right now and you guys know what's going to be the future of this coin. So there you go, all of these three levels here. So first things first, we did rebound in this here at 0.000015, so that's pretty good here, but we are kind of getting rejected in this area here. So we're gonna see some stabilization between these two areas until, like I said, some good news do release from this coin. Now if we do continue here, if we break through the downside of this coin, we're going to go in this here, the 0.00010. After that, there is this huge area here. Hopefully we do not reach this here, because if we do, it's going to be total decrease for this coin. But hopefully, like I said, we don't. Hopefully we stay stabilizing in this area for now. The biggest problem with predicting the coin right now is because it's totally unstable, because people have so many different disinformation what's happening to the coin, because so many people think that we just had a rug pull or something like that, but that's not what's happening to this coin. Still, hopefully we do break to the top side of this level here, and then we do continue to break through to the next level and hit this one here, so 0.00023. That should be the next target here if we do break to the top here, and hopefully we do. Hopefully we go back, of course, all the way to the top. But for something like that to happen, we're gonna need some new good news for the coin. What actually happened? First, like I said, we had a massive market drop. So massive market drop for the whole coin. Not, like I said, not just this coin, but all of crypto. So many coins, they go down. But the thing that happened with Shiba Inu is that something very important. If we do go to their Twitter here, we can see that they made a giant statement of what actually happened. So what happened is that if you actually go to their website here, you have to understand the tokenomics of this coin here. To understand the tokenomics, it says here, we logged 50% of the total supply to Uniswap and threw away the keys. The remaining 50% was burned to Vitalik Buterin, and we were the first project following this path. So this is it. So 50% of the coin was locked to Uniswap. That's pretty good. But the other 50% was locked to Vitalik Buterin. It was basically a meme. So sending all this money to Vitalik was just a meme basically, because these guys did know that Vitalik will never sell those coins. He just doesn't need them. He's the owner of Ethereum. So this guy is the owner. This is the guy who made Ethereum the second biggest coin in all of crypto. So we just talked about Ethereum a little while ago. So this guy doesn't need the money. He just doesn't need the money. So what happened here? If you do go to Ethereum scan, you can see something interesting. So they did say they did give 50% to VB, to Vitalik here. But as you can see here, it says 45.6%. So what happened here? He basically gave away 5%. He didn't do a rug pull. This is not a rug pull. What a rug pull would be, he would sell all of his coins here. If he did that, I think everybody would hate this person. But no, he didn't. Of course he didn't. He just gave away 5%. Now, what did he do with those 5%? He did a really good thing. He really did a noble thing where he did send this money, send these coins to an Indian virus crypto relief fund. So basically, this the whole epidemic that's happening in India with the virus and everything. I'm not gonna mention the name of the virus because probably my video is gonna get flagged or something. So I'm just gonna change to virus here. So because of that, he just sent a lot of money. He sent $1 billion to a fund here that's going to help India with the virus here. So many people are getting infected with the virus and they need as much help as possible to fix the problem here, to make people healthy again. So he sent, like I said, $1 billion. That's a huge amount of money. So when people did hear that, it's not that they heard about it. What actually happened is that I think that people saw the percentage here dropped. So there was a huge jump in percentage here. And because that, people thought that the Vitalik did do a rug pull. He's going to take all the money and they should exit as soon as possible because of that. He didn't do it. He didn't take all the money. He took 5%. He took 1 billion. So he has 8 billion here. And he took 1 billion from that 8 billion. So from like 10 or like 9 or something like that. So he took 1 billion there and sent it to that relief fund. And that's pretty noble of him, but it was pretty scary. If we knew that he would do this, it would be a lot easier. But because we didn't know he did this and we just saw a transaction here, because if you do enter his wallet here, you can just see transactions. It was pretty scary. People were super scared of what was happening to the coin. And basically, I think it did went from here at this area to this area pretty much. No, this area pretty much. And like 26% down in just 1 hour. Maybe even less than that. So when people do see the coins going down by 30% in just 1 hour, yeah, they're gonna get scared. They're gonna get. I think I saw like 50% here, minus 50% at one time. So there you go. People were just super scared. But of course, we did rebound in this area first, then a rejection because people were still afraid. People just didn't understand what was happening, and we got all the way to this level here. So like I said, if we do measure, that's 50% down from all the way here. From the all-time high, of course, it's even more. So if you go measure from the all-time high, you're gonna see. Oh, it's still 50%. Okay, 55% actually. There you go. But like I said, now we're just seeing huge amount of stabilization. And hopefully, like I said, we do pass this level here and continue to go to this level. As you can see, we're breaking the rejection. People are buying. But we're going to see what's going to happen. The RSI now looks amazing. Not going to lie. The RSI is super good right now. We have so much more strength to go up now. It's like going down to get more fuel so we can go to the moon even better. So that's about what's happening here. Because of that, like I said, huge sell-off. People were just so afraid like what was happening to the coin, and Shiba Inu did release a statement here. So if we do continue here, now because of that, a lot of news outlets are talking about this, where Vitalik did send all the money to help those people in India. So that's amazing. So we are getting a lot of publicity from this what happened here. We did lose a lot of value, but the publicity did skyrocket, and that's amazing to hear and amazing to see. That's pretty cool, not gonna lie, it's super cool to see for this coin. Now if we do continue here, if you go back actually to the Twitter, they got another exchange here. That's pretty cool. It says new exchange listing, SHIB, this time from India. There you go. So people from India will be able to buy the coin now, and that's awesome to see. Of course they could have bought it before, but this is a direct Indian exchange. So good to see. These guys already have 305k followers. So like I said, people are still super interested in this coin here. But like I said, still a lot of people just don't understand what happened to the coin. A lot of people think that Vitalik just did the rug pull, and that's it. He took all the money and he's gonna run away with the money and go to a different country or something like that. No, No, he just sent the money to all these people to help people. So this is a good cause, guys. Like now these guys have 5% of the whole coin. So 5%, like I said, it's a lot. Like $1 billion. It says here 900 million, but it's because the coin did go down. And some people are now telling here in the group, where basically they're saying, let's pump up the coin so the relief fund gets even more like value from the transaction, basically. So that's pretty cool to see here. People want to help other people. This is a really good message that it happened. It's not like he just took the money, ran off. He did a really good thing here. That's at least good what happened. Like I said, the coin did go down, but we did still do a good deed. Now, what about the future of this coin? It all depends what's gonna happen in the next few days here. If people do like what happened here, when I say like what happened, if people find out what really happened, and this is what really happened, if they really understand what's happening, and if they do like what happened actually, then the value of the coin will continue to go up. I still think that this is the coin that's going to be the new Dogecoin, because people are just still investing in this coin. If we continue, if we go back to Dogecoin here, Dogecoin is increasing here, but still a lot of trouble has been happening. Dogecoin did decrease by a lot also, like 50% also. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen to this coin also. But for now, still feel like all the exchanges do want this coin to become the new Dogecoin. So the new meme coin, but there's the difference between this coin and Dogecoin. As you can see now, people are gonna enjoy this coin a lot more because it did help a lot of people. And it's a usable coin. It's not going to be only a meme coin. It's going to be a real tangible coin for people to use in the future. So this is just really good publicity for this coin. As you can see, as I've been talking here, it increased by 26% here in the last 4 hours. So that's pretty good. We're going to see if we can continue, and good things can happen to this coin. Of course, like I said, it all depends. If we do break to the downside of this area, we're going to see a huge amount of decrease. So from here, we're gonna see another 30% decrease. Hopefully this doesn't happen. Hopefully we stay in this area and continue to go up. But we're gonna see, for that to happen, also we need to break the pattern here. So we have a giant pattern that's been forming here, and that's a downwards funnel. So we're like a wedge. So we are going down basically. But if we do break to the upside of this funnel, this could be pretty good. So we are still in this pattern, guys. We are still in this giant pattern. So if we do break from this pattern, we will be able to continue to go up. And breaking from this pattern means we're still gonna need, I'm just gonna give you an estimate here, we're gonna need about 10% more from now if we want this coin to be able to continue to go up. Basically, it's about 10%, maybe a little bit more. I think we have to hit this level here and pass it. If we do pass this level, then 100% this coin will continue to go up. So we need to break this downwards pattern. You can just see the steps here, giant steps here that have been happening, and we just keep, now hopefully we don't keep going down here. Hopefully we do something like this. We now break to the top and continue to go up. Now another reason why this coin still will continue to go up is because of Shiba Swap. So we still don't have Shiba Swap, and I believe when we have Shiba Swap, then the value of this coin should be able to jump. People do like Shiba Swap, and I think they will. The only problem I see is that if they release Shiba Swap and the whole website is broken, when I say broken, I mean basically because of so many people going on the website, if that goes broken, only then I feel like this coin will lose value. But if everything's okay, people do like it, then we're gonna see a huge amount of increase. So we're gonna see. For now, we're still pretty okay. We did bounce off every time here. That's pretty good. So we have huge amount of support for this area. So seeing that is really amazing. So seeing this is really amazing. Of course, Leash here also this happened to Leash. It did dump down, slowly now regaining, going in uptrend here, slowly trying to go up and up and up. Now, Akitino did go down also by a lot of percentage, but as you can see, also trying to go back up again. We're gonna see what's gonna happen, but hopefully, like I said, these coins can be able to continue. We're hitting the 20 MA here. Also, we're gonna need a bullish cross here. The 4-hour chart, we're not even close. Oh, this is pretty good. Retouching the 55 is really good here. If you didn't know, retouching the 55 at the 4-hour chart is just amazing to see, of course, because this means you have a lot of support in this area, and this is why we should be able to continue to go up. But we're gonna see, like I said, hopefully we do. I will love if this coin will be able to continue to go up. If you do go to the 1-day chart, we don't really have too much information because things are just happening too fast here. We don't even have the 55, so the 1-day chart, it's not going to work on a coin that's pretty new here. That's the biggest problem. It's still 55 here, retouching for support, and then as you can see, just going up again. That's pretty cool, pretty good to see for this coin. But guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to invest into these coins, please do your own research first. And if you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.